Hello, this video is to expose the net run rate system. So in this video I'm going to expose the net run rate system, but before that it's exposing in the sense it's not exposing like calculations are being wrong in this system. Calculations are obviously right. uh, the leagues which keeps this net run rate system do the calculation correct, but that's not the thing. Now here you can see after 9 matches played by all the teams in 2020 IPL season, you can see the standings and net run rate, where all the teams stands in net run rate also. Now I had a screenshot before last night match where we have seen two super overs between Mumbai Indians and Kings 11 Punjab. So let's see it first. Now this is that screenshot. Here you can see Punjab on 8th position. It's before that match, and you can see the negative net run rate of Punjab is 0.295 in negative. So now let me show you net run rate. Now it's minus 0.262, means Punjab has won the game last night and they have increased their net run rate. So now I was thinking, after seeing this, that that was a close win. That was a close win that finished in super over. So this much of this much of difference between net and rate. So I was just thinking this. So then what I did, I have a net and rate calculator in my app. It is in my phone. App is installed. So here you can see all the matches played by this team, Kings 11 Punjab. I was calculating first. Let me show you. Let's again search. I will show you all the matches of Kings 11 Punjab. Here we go to this. Let's click on Kings 11 Punjab. Now here till now all the matches played by Kings 11 Punjab. You can note down the scores and the overs. Now see here, there is one rule in calculating the net run rate system, that like here you can see on the second match RCB got all out at 109 after being played 17 overs. Now here in net run rate, if a team is out, we do not calculate 17 overs. Now we do not calculate the overs played by them, we calculate all of the total amount of overs, means we have to calculate 20. So before that I want to tell you that, and I want to show you my own video on my channel. This is my channel, but I want to show you this. In this description, this is formula: net run rate is equal to total runs scored by the team, means in the whole tournament, divided by total overs played by the team, here also whole tournament, minus total runs scored against team, means opponents who have scored runs, total them, divided by total overs played by opponent, and overs if team is getting all out, so then we have to take overs as 20. Simple. Let me show you. Let me show you that I am saying correct or not. Let me search. So here you can see, if a team is all out within the stipulated 20 overs, then the overs are considered for an NR is 20 itself in T20 for T20, not the actual overs played. Just I want to show this part. Now again I am telling, this video is exposure of net run rate system, not in the sense of wrong calculations done by people to calculate. This whole system is wrong. I am going to prove that. Now here I showed let me show you again once more, last time. I know that this video is going a bit longer, but still please watch it again. Watch all the matches scores. Okay, so now let's go. Now here I have already taken that all the I have written down all the scores and this, and just shown we have to after doing all the formalities of writing, we have to click on show net run rate. Yes, I did, and this is coming as this, which is original. Okay, so basically, and not basically, if let me question you. If I told you a team has lost a match, so now your mind will, what will your mind say? The After losing the match, the team will have a better net run rate than before, or worse than before. My mind will say worse, and probably your mind will also say worse. So here I was thinking, like, it should be worse if Kings 11 Punjab would have lost it. Okay, so if hypothetically this has not happened, but if they have lost it, so opponents, we have to plus 1 run. Let me plus 1 run in opponents. Let me plus 1 run in opponents means Mumbai Indians, hypothetically speaking, actually they have scored 176 last night. But if uh, we consider 177 they would have scored in first inning, and Kings 11 Punjab 176 in second inning, and Mumbai Indians would have won. Now let us click on show net run rate. A difference has come after now. In this match what we have done, Kings 11 Punjab lost one more match. Okay, means okay, then minus 0.267. This is coming as net run rate after losing. Okay, after losing, this is coming net run rate. Now let us go to again, and this was net run rate before this match, 0.295 in negative. Okay, so means Kings 11 Punjab has lost the match. Still they have not lost, but hypothetically if Mumbai Indians would have scored 177, so then they have lost the match, and still their net run rate has gone into positive than before. Their net run rate has been better. So I am not saying that this net run rate calculations are something like rocket science. Not that. Net run rate calculations are net run rate calculation, and they are very simple. And but I'm saying that this method is not not a well suited method for higher level leagues or any leagues or ICC tournament. This method is, I don't support this method, and we have already seen in past that teams qualifying on basis of net run rate and then winning in many tournaments. We have seen this. So what is this net run rate system like when you are scoring more runs also, when you are losing also? I'm sorry, not more runs, when you are losing also. Okay, so then also your net run rate is increasing. How? And if you will calculate of Mumbai Indians, like, it would take a lot of time. So if you can do, okay, so here then you have to change Mumbai Indians in last match. You keep like this 176 20 overs Kings 11 Punjab, and your team you have to write Mumbai Indians in that, and you write 177 and 20 overs. Okay, don't write actual runs, and then you will then click on show net run rate. And first of all, before 8 matches of Mumbai Indians, fill that also, then you can write show net run rate. Then when you will write show net run rate, then Mumbai's let me show you here. Before that match, Mumbai Indians net run rate is 1 plus in a positive 1.353. But after Mumbai Indians 1 run victory over Kings 11 Punjab, if you will if you hypothetically, if you will keep that in net run rate, and then you will click on show net run rate, then also Mumbai Indians net run rate is going to decrease from 1.353 after winning also. So I don't support this system, that's why only. Let's bring some other system which is very applicable, and which don't have these type of problem. Now after losing also, Kings 11 Punjab, hypothetically, in Kings 11 Punjab are getting net run rate positiver than they had, and after winning, if hypothetically you will calculate of Mumbai Indians, they will get negative, not negative, they will guess less their net run rate is going to decrease after winning if hypothetically they would have won. So I'm not saying, again and again I'm saying this, I'm not saying that I have that this method is, in this method wrong calculations are being done. I'm saying this method is not a correct method only. Calculations, we do calculations. Now we do calculations which are given, like they were given total runs scored by minus total divided by total over played minus total over against team divided by total over played by against team. So this method is fine, and if you will calculate from this method, the answer would also be equal to the answer which Leaks calculated, which Google calculated. That will come equal to that only if you have done correct calculation. But then also I'm saying this method is wrong. Calculations comes right from this method, but this method is only wrong because it supports close victories in minus. If you have a very positive run rate, very, like if you had +2, for hypothetically, if any team had +2 and they have won the next of their game by 1 run, then also their net run rate is going to decrease. And if -2, if any team is there hypothetically, and if they would have lost by 1 run, a close match, and their net run rate would have been increased. So I am saying just this thing, this should not happen, and let's bring some other method. Just okay, bye bye. My name is Manan Mehta, and I have tried to expose net run rate. If I am wrong, then I have done myself as owl. So let's stop screen recording.